So earlier this week we were out in New York City in coordination with the New York Auto Show. And we were at an event hosted by Amazon and Mazda to check out the brand new redesigned Mazda 6. So on the outside it kind of looks like a very slight or small refresh, but actually all the things are on inside. So that means the completely redesigned interior with a lot more tech involved, and under the hood a more powerful engine. So now you got new bells and whistles like Infotainment center built in, sensors all around the car where you can now monitor 360 degrees of the car as well as the front and the back. And with those sensors you get cool things like lane departure and avoidance and all the other cool stuff. So in regards to what's new under the hood, you now have a turbocharged 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine that gets you 250 horsepower and 310 pounds of torque, so you can really go a lot faster than you normally would. But unlike at the auto show, instead of just looking at it, we got an actually chance to actually hop in it and go for a ride around the streets of New York City. Well, more or less around the block, but you still get a much better idea of what the new Mazda 6 has to offer. So taking off, you really get to feel the new engine as it pushes off. Of course, it has the new smoothness of what a new car, but definitely has a lot more push than you would expect from a regular 4-cylinder. Now, we talked about it a little bit ago, and it's called iActive Sense. So it's just their 360 degree view of the car, so you can see any obstructions around the side, passenger side, right passenger side, as well as the front and rear, to see if who's too close to the car or on the side, especially in the streets of New York where you got pedestrians all over the place. So you can view all of this on the 8-inch Mazda Tech Infotainment Center. So with there, of course, touchscreen, you can view you view the camera angles on there, as well as control audio source and all the different apps and things you can get. So the new Mazda 6 goes on sale later this year, sometime in the spring. So pricing starts around $22,000, and to get it fully loaded, fully decked out with all the bells and whistles, it goes up to $35,000. So if you're in New York City this week or anytime next week, make sure you swing by the Javits Center. You can check out the New York Auto Show. You can check out the Mazda 6 as well as other cars that will be featured there. So thanks for watching. Could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. We appreciate it, and see you in the next video. Peace.